Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Nestled in the pristine landscapes of Arunachal Pradesh, Zero Valley stands as one of India's most enchanting yet lesser-known destinations. Located in the Upper Siang district, this breathtaking valley derives its name from its proximity to the 0-degree latitude line that marks the border with Tibet. Often referred to as the Valley of Flowers of the East, Zero Valley offers visitors an unparalleled experience of natural beauty, cultural richness, and spiritual tranquility. Zero Valley is situated in the Upper Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh, approximately 150 kilometers from Pasighat, the district headquarters. The valley lies at an elevation of about 3,000 meters above sea level, making it a high-altitude destination that requires proper acclimatization. The nearest major airport is Doni Polo Airport in Pasighat, which is connected to major Indian cities through regular flights. To reach Zero Valley, travelers typically embark on a scenic journey from Pasighat. The route involves a combination of road travel and trekking. The first leg takes visitors along the Siang River on the Pasighat-Yingkiang Highway, offering spectacular views of the river valley and surrounding mountains. From there, a moderate trek of approximately 12 kilometers leads to the valley, passing through dense forests and alpine meadows. The best time to visit Zero Valley is between April and October, when the weather is relatively stable and the valley is in full bloom. Winter months, November to March, bring heavy snowfall, making the region inaccessible but offering a completely different experience for adventure enthusiasts. Zero Valley lives up to its reputation as a paradise on earth with its stunning natural landscape. The valley is characterized by rolling meadows carpeted with wildflowers, crystal-clear streams that meander through the terrain, and snow-capped peaks that provide a dramatic backdrop. During spring and summer, the valley transforms into a colorful canvas with rhododendrons, primulas, and various alpine flowers painting the landscape in vibrant hues. The valley's unique topography creates several natural attractions worth exploring. The Central Meadow, often called the Heart of Zero Valley, is a vast expanse of green grassland surrounded by towering peaks. This area is particularly popular for camping and offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Several pristine streams flow through the valley, fed by glacial melt and natural springs. These water bodies not only add to the valley's beauty but also support the rich biodiversity that thrives here. The streams are ideal for peaceful walks and provide excellent opportunities for photography, especially during early morning and late evening hours when the light creates magical reflections on the water surface. Zero Valley is a biodiversity hotspot that showcases the rich ecological heritage of the Eastern Himalayas. The valley's flora is particularly remarkable, with over 200 species of flowering plants, many of which are endemic to the region. During the blooming season, May to August, visitors can witness spectacular displays of rhododendrons in various colors, from deep red to pure white, creating a natural firework display across the hillsides. The valley is also home to several rare medicinal plants used in traditional Adi medicine. Local guides often share knowledge about these plants and their traditional uses, providing visitors with insights into the indigenous healing practices of the region. Some notable species include various orchid varieties, Himalayan blue poppies, and numerous species of primulas that thrive in the cool mountain climate. The fauna in Zero Valley is equally impressive, though many species are elusive due to the dense forest cover. Visitors might spot Himalayan black bears, red pandas, and various species of deer in the early morning or late evening hours. The valley is also a haven for bird watchers, with over 150 species of birds recorded in the area, including several endemic and migratory species. The forests surrounding the valley are predominantly coniferous, with blue pines, deodars, and firs creating a canopy that filters sunlight in enchanting patterns. These forests also house various species of rhododendrons and magnolias, adding to the valley's floral diversity. Zero Valley holds deep cultural significance for the Adi tribe, the predominant ethnic group in the region. The local communities have lived in harmony with nature for centuries, developing sustainable practices that preserve the valley's pristine condition. Visitors to the valley often have the opportunity to interact with local families and learn about their traditional way of life. The Adi people practice a unique form of animism combined with Buddhist influences, which is reflected in their festivals, rituals, and daily practices. Local guides often share stories about the spiritual significance of various landmarks in the valley, including sacred springs, ancient trees, and specific mountain peaks that are believed to be the dwelling places of local deities. Traditional Adi architecture can be observed in the small settlements scattered around the valley's periphery. These houses, built with locally sourced materials like bamboo, wood, and thatch, are designed to withstand the harsh mountain climate while providing comfort and functionality. The architectural style reflects the community's deep understanding of the local environment and available resources. Zero Valley serves as an excellent base for various trekking and adventure activities. The moderate difficulty level of the main trek makes it accessible to both novice and experienced trekkers. The journey to the valley itself is rewarding, with changing landscapes and increasing altitude providing a gradual introduction to high-altitude trekking. Several trekking routes originate from Zero Valley, leading to nearby peaks and passes. The trek to the Zero Point, the exact location where the valley gets its name, is particularly popular. This short but steep climb offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the surrounding peaks and valleys, making it a favorite spot for sunrise and sunset photography. For more adventurous visitors, longer treks lead to remote villages and high-altitude lakes. These treks often require multi-day expeditions and proper camping equipment but reward visitors with experiences of untouched wilderness and encounters with local communities living in remote areas. The valley also offers opportunities for rock climbing and bouldering, with several suitable locations for different skill levels. Local guides can arrange basic climbing equipment and provide instruction for beginners. While Zero Valley maintains its pristine, untouched character, basic accommodation facilities are available for visitors. The primary option is camping, with designated camping areas that provide stunning views while minimizing environmental impact. Several local tour operators offer camping packages that include tents, sleeping bags, and meals prepared by local cooks using traditional recipes. Zero Valley, nestled in the lush mountains of Arunachal Pradesh, offers a unique and earthy culinary experience deeply rooted in tribal Apatani traditions. The local cuisine is organic, mildly spiced, and focused on seasonal produce, fermented ingredients, and bamboo-based cooking. One of the signature dishes is pika pila, a spicy fermented bamboo shoot pickle made with pork fat, served with every meal. Another favorite is bamboo shoot pork curry, where pork is slow-cooked with wild bamboo shoots, herbs, and chili, giving it a smoky tang. Rice is a staple, often accompanied by boiled or stir-fried vegetables like fiddlehead ferns, mustard leaves, and wild spinach. Fish stews, particularly prepared in bamboo tubes over firewood, are traditional delicacies. The papang, a homemade rice beer, is an essential part of every gathering and celebration. Vegetarian options include fermented soybean curry, boiled yam, and salted meat chutneys with herbs and chili. Dishes are typically steamed or smoked, ensuring they retain their natural flavors without excess oil or spice. A visit to Zero isn't complete without sampling these soulful tribal dishes that reflect the land's purity, sustainability, and cultural depth. For those preferring more conventional accommodation, guest houses in nearby villages provide basic but comfortable lodging. These establishments are often family-run and offer authentic cultural experiences along with home-cooked meals featuring local ingredients. It's important to note that due to the valley's remote location and environmental sensitivity, luxury accommodation options are limited. Visitors are encouraged to embrace the rustic charm and focus on the natural beauty and cultural experiences the valley offers. Zero Valley is a photographer's paradise, offering countless opportunities for capturing stunning landscapes and cultural moments. The valley's diverse terrain provides various compositions throughout the day, from intimate shots of wildflowers to sweeping panoramas of snow-capped peaks. The best viewing points in the valley include the central meadow for sunrise photography, when the morning light illuminates the surrounding peaks in golden hues. The stream that flows through the valley offers excellent opportunities for long-exposure photography, especially during the golden hour when the water reflects the colorful sky. Several elevated points around the valley perimeter provide panoramic views, making them ideal for landscape photography. These spots are particularly spectacular during the blooming season when the valley floor is carpeted with colorful flowers against the backdrop of green forests and white peaks. Wildlife photography enthusiasts should focus on the early morning and late evening hours when animals are most active. The dense forest areas around the valley's edges are good spots for capturing birds and other wildlife, though patience and stealth are required. Zero Valley's pristine condition is maintained through careful conservation efforts and responsible tourism practices. Visitors are encouraged to follow leave no trace principles, carrying out all waste and minimizing their environmental impact. Local authorities have implemented strict guidelines to protect the valley's ecosystem and cultural heritage. The local community plays a crucial role in conservation efforts, with many families involved in ecotourism initiatives that provide sustainable livelihoods while preserving the valley's natural beauty. Visitors can support these efforts by choosing local guides, purchasing locally made products, and respecting local customs and traditions. Zero Valley represents one of India's most unspoiled natural treasures, offering visitors a chance to experience the raw beauty of the Eastern Himalayas away from the crowds. Its combination of stunning landscapes, rich biodiversity, and authentic cultural experiences makes it a destination that leaves lasting impressions on all who visit. The valley's remote location and limited infrastructure ensure that it remains a peaceful retreat for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone seeking to reconnect with the natural world. While the journey to reach Zero Valley may be challenging, the rewards are immeasurable, providing memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking adventure, spiritual renewal, or simply a chance to witness nature's beauty in its purest form, Zero Valley offers an experience that is both humbling and inspiring. As one of Arunachal Pradesh's best-kept secrets, it continues to enchant visitors with its timeless beauty and profound sense of peace that can only be found in truly wild places. Don't forget to like, subscribe this channel, leave a comment, press hype button and share this video with friends and relatives. Please wait for the next eye-catching travel video. Thanks for watching.